Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop SiriusXM from starting automatically. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If SiriusXM starts automatically when you turn on your car, you can disable this feature. To do it for car radios with SiriusXM built in, what you need to do is go to the menu settings, then look for auto start or auto launch option. Then what you need to do is just simply disable auto start, and once done you'll be able to stop SiriusXM from starting automatically. Now for SiriusXM app, what you need to do is head over and open up your SiriusXM app or your browser, then simply log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, then simply tap on it, and here you'll find the settings option. Now once you're inside settings, what you need to do is look for the option like autoplay or auto start, and then simply turn it off. Once done, all you gotta do is just simply restart the app, and then you'll be able to stop SiriusXM from launching automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.